Welcome to today's brief demonstration of BudgetEngine, created by AppComputing in Silicon Valley, California. BudgetEngine is a revolutionary online program that makes it easy and more effective for companies to handle the important task of corporate financial planning. Chances are you're watching this demo of BudgetEngine because you are a CFO or financial manager, and you are looking for a more advanced process to handle your company's budgets. You have many important financial responsibilities, but none of them require the high level of collaboration with colleagues, as does financial planning. To date, you've been relying on hand-built Excel spreadsheets, and you've been sharing these spreadsheets within your company via email. But this process is slow and tedious and rife with problems. You've probably experienced some or all of the problems displayed here. This graphic shows the chaos which results from emailing budget spreadsheets. In the center in red, you'll see the main issue of what's known as email war. In other words, multiple versions of a spreadsheet going back and forth within your company. At the top right, you'll see the problem that happens when an email is sent to the wrong person. In this case, Jack the distributor, rather than Jack the CFO. As a CFO, you're continually wondering what has changed within a spreadsheet and which versions are being shared. If you're the controller, you're concerned with security, including who can see whose salary, along with all the scenarios and formulas used to build the budget spreadsheet. So now, sit back a moment and imagine an entirely new and improved process for financial planning. What if this process could allow you to have easy collaboration among all stakeholders? What if you and your colleagues could access the financial planning program online 24/7 from anywhere and see only the latest information? What if you could be certain that all data is secure and centrally managed? Let's take a quick look at several key functions and features of the BudgetEngine. The BudgetEngine is a web-based software-as-a-service application delivered in a secure environment. All user data is protected from external threat using today's highest security practices. Internally, data is managed through optimized workflow and views that keeps data well organized and safe from mistakes and mishap. Users are fully partitioned and granted permission within the system in a highly granular fashion. Every option in the system can be controlled for each user to allow full edit, read-only, or no access. Budget data is version controlled and can be instantly replicated for forecasting or scenario building without any worries about altering or corrupting the current budget. Feeding the BudgetEngine spreadsheets are fast and easy to use modules. Modules are currently available for managing bank loans, handling all aspects of HR policy, and setting up and managing individual employee records. The modules appear as simple forms which only require users to fill in fields or to make selections from menus. Data is taken from the modules and automatically applied to all the relevant BudgetEngine spreadsheets. No further actions are required from users, and potential for mistakes is greatly reduced. In this example, you can see how easy and fast it is to create a brand new employee record. Basic information is entered into a form, and then the BudgetEngine automatically calculates and creates entries for the budget on all the appropriate spreadsheets. Accounting data can be quickly and easily uploaded into the BudgetEngine from other popular accounting packages, including NetSuite, Peachtree, and QuickBooks. General ledger data is selected by fiscal period and can be fully custom mapped into the BudgetEngine. Data is instantly transferred with a click of a single button. From the spreadsheet, users can drill down to view all the details of the general ledger without having to ask the controller for an accounting report. Different budget versions are snapped to compare. Simply select two different budget versions for comparison and click the Compare button. Data from both versions are shown highlighted in columns. The BudgetEngine tells you their delta values at a glance, and it is possible to make adjustments to the budget data on the spot, even as you compare the data. And finally, adding a new fiscal year to the budget is simplified to the click of a single button. The full structures of all your budget spreadsheets are replicated, including views for 12 months, 4 quarters, and the full year. Additionally, data is carried forward and automatically calculated to populate the new spreadsheet views. At the heart of the BudgetEngine are highly optimized function-specific spreadsheets. The user interface is familiar, and they operate just like the ordinary spreadsheets you use every day. BudgetEngine spreadsheets calculate and present essential financial statements in standardized format, including balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and by department. A notable and innovative feature of the BudgetEngine is its presentation of spreadsheet data formulas in an instantly understandable, human-readable format. Your users will no longer need to deal with abstractions, such as multiplying cells D1 and D2 and needing to understand what they represent. Instead, they will simply multiply April 2010 customer count times April 2010 ASP. Rounding out the BudgetEngine spreadsheets and modules are a host of data reports and interactive charts that graphically display key figures and can be customized on the spot. Charts and data can be printed or exported from the system with a single mouse click. You've now seen some of the many features and functions that BudgetEngine is capable of. To sum up, BudgetEngine gives you collaboration, accessibility, and peace of mind and security. An important part of the BudgetEngine solution for your organization is its affordability. Setup can be quickly and easily performed without external consultants or integrators. Typically, your CFO or controller can get things up and running all by themselves within a day. The only charge that needs to be considered is a simple monthly subscription fee. Our standard package starts at $2.99 per month for up to 10 users. We hope you found this presentation to be informative. Sign up now for a free 30-day trial account to see how your organization can benefit using the BudgetEngine. www.appcomputing.com